In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, finding moments of peace and self-reflection is essential. One powerful practice that can transform your mornings is speaking 10 lines to yourself every day. Inspired by the wisdom of Buddhism, this ritual offers a pathway to cultivate mindfulness and foster a positive mindset. Hey, wonderful souls. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of self-discovery and inner peace inspired by the profound teachings of Buddhism. If you're ready to start your day with positivity and mindfulness, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more empowering content, and let's embark on this journey together. Now, let's jump into the art of speaking 10 lines to yourself every morning. Let the transformation begin. Buddhism, with its profound teachings on inner peace and self-awareness, has inspired countless individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery. Incorporating Buddhist principles into our daily routines can lead to a more harmonious and balanced life. Begin your morning ritual with a deep breath, grounding yourself in the present moment. Inhale the freshness of a new day. Exhale the worries of yesterday. This simple act connects you with your breath, a fundamental aspect of Buddhist meditation practices. As you utter the first line to yourself, "I am here," you affirm your presence in the present moment. This echoes the Buddhist principle of mindfulness, emphasizing the importance of being fully engaged in the now rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. The second line, "I am grateful for this new day," instills a sense of gratitude, echoing the Buddhist teaching that gratitude is a key to happiness. Acknowledging the gift of a new day fosters a positive outlook and sets the tone for the hours ahead. Moving into the third line, "I release attachments to outcomes," draws upon the Buddhist concept of non-attachment. By letting go of rigid expectations, you open yourself to the fluidity of life, reducing stress and embracing the beauty of the unknown. "I am a beacon of compassion" is the fourth line, a reminder of the importance of compassion in Buddhist philosophy. Channeling compassion towards oneself and others enhances emotional well-being and fosters a sense of interconnectedness. The fifth line, "I embrace impermanence," aligns with the Buddhist understanding that all things are temporary. Embracing the transient nature of life allows for greater adaptability and resilience in the face of challenges. "I am the architect of my own happiness" serves as the sixth line, emphasizing the Buddhist principle of self-responsibility. Taking charge of your own happiness empowers you to make positive choices and cultivate a fulfilling life. With the seventh line, "I cultivate a peaceful mind," you acknowledge the importance of mental tranquility in Buddhism. Cultivating a peaceful mind through mindfulness practices contributes to overall well-being. "I am connected to all living beings" forms the eighth line, echoing the Buddhist concept of interdependence. Recognizing the interconnectedness of all life fosters a sense of unity and compassion towards others. As you speak the ninth line, "I radiate love and kindness," you tap into the heart of Buddhist teachings on loving kindness, metta. This simple act has the power to transform not only your day, but also the lives of those around you. The 10th line, "I am at peace with myself," concludes the morning ritual with a declaration of inner peace. This echoes the core goal of Buddhism, achieving a state of tranquility through self-awareness and acceptance. Incorporating these 10 lines into your morning routine provides a powerful foundation for personal growth and inner harmony. The simplicity of these affirmations aligns seamlessly with the principles of Buddhism, offering a practical guide to navigating the complexities of modern life. As you embark on this daily practice, consider creating a serene space for self-reflection. A corner with a cushion or a comfortable chair can serve as your personal sanctuary, enhancing the ritual's impact. It's important to approach this morning routine with an open heart and a gentle spirit. Let the words resonate within you, allowing their wisdom to permeate your thoughts and actions throughout the day. Over time, You may find that this practice not only transforms your mornings, but also positively influences your overall outlook on life. The cumulative effect of daily affirmations aligned with Buddhist principles can lead to a more mindful and fulfilling existence. Remember that this morning ritual is a personal journey. Tailor the affirmations to resonate with your own beliefs and values, ensuring that they genuinely reflect your aspirations for a balanced and purposeful life. In conclusion, by speaking 10 lines to yourself every morning, rooted in the wisdom of Buddhism, you embark on a transformative journey towards self-discovery, mindfulness, and inner peace. Embrace this ritual as a gift to yourself, a daily reminder of the beauty that lies in the present moment. May each morning be a canvas for the art of living, painted with the brushstrokes of gratitude, compassion, and serenity. Through this practice, may you uncover the profound teachings of Buddhism in the tapestry of your own existence. As you delve deeper into this morning ritual inspired by Buddhism, consider incorporating a brief meditation session. Sit comfortably, focusing on your breath and allowing the calming energy to permeate your being. This meditative pause aligns with Buddhist practices and further grounds you in the present moment. Extend the practice beyond mere recitation by visualizing each affirmation. Imagine a peaceful mind, a compassionate heart, and a life interconnected with all living beings. Visualization enhances the impact of the affirmations, making them more tangible and transformative. In the spirit of Buddhist teachings, strive for mindfulness not only in the morning, but throughout the day. Carry the essence of these affirmations with you, allowing them to serve as guideposts in moments of challenge and joy. Consider keeping a journal to document your reflections after each morning session. Record any insights, emotions, or shifts in perspective. This practice aligns with the Buddhist tradition of mindful reflection and can deepen your understanding of yourself. Invite loved ones to join you in this morning ritual, creating a shared experience of positive affirmation. The communal energy magnifies the impact, fostering a collective sense of well-being and interconnectedness. As you repeat these lines, let the words be a source of empowerment rather than a routine. Feel the resonance of each affirmation, allowing it to inspire confidence, resilience, and a deep sense of self-worth. Acknowledge that, like the teachings of Buddhism, this practice is a continuous journey. Be patient with yourself as you navigate the ebb and flow of life, embracing the imperfections and celebrating the moments of growth. Extend the practice to include moments of gratitude throughout the day. Whenever challenges arise, recall the morning affirmations, center yourself, and find gratitude even in the face of adversity. Consider exploring additional Buddhist teachings, such as the Noble Eightfold Path or the Four Noble Truths, to deepen your understanding of the philosophy. Integrating these principles can enrich your morning ritual with profound insights. Silence can be a powerful companion to this practice. After reciting the affirmations, take a few moments to sit in quiet contemplation. Allow the stillness to envelop you, creating a sacred space for self-discovery and inner peace. In the spirit of impermanence, be open to adapting the affirmations as your journey unfolds. Personalize the lines to reflect your evolving aspirations, ensuring that they continue to resonate with your authentic self. Buddhism teaches the importance of right intention. Reflect on the intentions behind your morning ritual, cultivating positivity, fostering self-awareness, and nurturing a compassionate heart. Clarifying these intentions enhances the transformative power of the practice. Explore the concept of mindfulness in action by bringing awareness to everyday activities. Whether eating, walking, or working, infuse these moments with the same intentionality and presence cultivated in your morning affirmations. Consider introducing elements of nature into your morning routine. Connect with the outdoors, whether through a brief walk, gazing at the sunrise, or simply breathing in the fresh air. Nature has a profound way of aligning with Buddhist principles, grounding you in the present moment. As you immerse yourself in this practice, Recognize that the benefits extend beyond personal well-being. A more mindful and compassionate you contributes positively to the collective consciousness, fostering a ripple effect of positivity in your community and beyond. In the spirit of non-attachment, be flexible with the structure of your morning ritual. Allow it to evolve organically, adapting to the seasons of your life. Embrace the fluidity of the practice, finding comfort in the ever-changing nature of existence. Explore the intersection of mindfulness and creativity. Incorporate artistic expressions, such as drawing, writing, or even dancing, into your morning routine. Expressing yourself creatively can deepen your connection to the affirmations and foster a sense of joy. Consider attending meditation or mindfulness sessions within your community. Joining like-minded individuals on a similar journey enhances the sense of connection and provides additional support and encouragement. Delve into the teachings of mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, a secular approach rooted in Buddhist principles. Integrating MBSR techniques into your morning ritual can amplify the benefits, offering practical tools for managing stress and promoting well-being. In the spirit of continuous growth, periodically revisit and refine your morning affirmations. As you gain new insights and experiences, adjust the lines to align with your evolving understanding of self and the world around you. Embrace the evolving tapestry of your morning ritual. Thank you for joining me on this inspiring journey, inspired by the wisdom of Buddhism. If you found these morning affirmations meaningful and are ready to bring positive change into your life, make sure to hit that like button below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on future content designed to uplift your spirit and nurture your well-being. Remember, the power to transform your mornings and your life lies within you. Share this video with others who might benefit from these affirmations, and let's create a community of positivity and growth. Until next time, may your mornings be filled with peace, gratitude, and the radiant energy of self-love. This is Wisdom Woven signing off, wishing you a beautiful and mindful journey ahead. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.